welcome back to my channel.
This freaking hair. I had to take a brief moment of silence to address this friggin' hair.
Spring is finally coming up, which means it is time for spring cleaning and some cleaning motivation.
Cleaning motivation, not hair motivation, because clearly I need some help in that department.
I'm going to show you guys how I keep my home clean and organized, which, spoiler alert, is very difficult when you have 2 kids, 2 and under. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite products I use for storage and organization, as well as the tips I have to keep your home clean and organized for as long as possible. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn the bell on for notifications. And if you like anything you see in today's video, it will all be linked down below. I've been organizing every inch of this house because I have been stuck inside with a newborn, the freezing cold, and the pandemic. So I have found the best products to help keep your home clean and organized. Not only did I treat myself to some new organizational products, which I will show you guys in today's video, but I also treated myself to some new activewear so I could do all of my projects in. I wanted to say a huge thank you to Everlane for sponsoring today's video. You guys have seen me talk about and wear Everlane on my channel before. I have featured them in videos on my channel, such as my capsule wardrobe. Everlane sources the finest materials and factories to create timeless products at amazing prices. They are transparent with their pricing, so on their site they show you what they charge versus what a traditional retailer would mark the item up to. They are focused on sustainability, so they are doing their part to create low impact, long-lasting products that reduce waste and chemicals. I personally love their activewear because their leggings are high-waisted with lightweight compression to help me feel more confident. And they have technical sweat wicking properties, so they are very comfortable to wear and work out in. I love that these leggings are machine washable, and you can even get them with pockets, which is huge as a mom because I can store my phone or my AirPods. The best part is their activewear is made with recycled materials, so you can feel good about purchasing these products because they are sustainably made and they will last. These leggings cost $58 versus traditional popular activewear stores sell similar leggings for almost double the cost. Everlane also creates great timeless pieces of clothing like this turtleneck I'm wearing. So many of my Luxe basics have come from Everlane. Thank you again to Everlane for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into how I keep my home clean and organized and my favorite organizational products. Okay guys, we've got to talk about this bin. Seriously, this bin could be the whole video. I should show you guys this bin, where I put it in my house, and call it a day. I'm gonna put the reel here that I made to show you guys what I have organized with these bins. I seriously did my kids' arts and crafts. I did the linen closet, I did a bathroom drawer, I did the changing table. I have been replacing every single bin that I used to have in my house for these Target bins because they are that good. I personally love this bin because it is completely flat on the side, so the bins can stack right next to each other, saving you the max amount of storage and space. I also love that it's semi-opaque, so you can see just enough of what's inside to know what bin to grab, but it's still got a little bit of hiding going on, so it gives you that nice clean look when you open up drawers or cabinets. The other best part is the bins stack on top of each other, so you can stack this directly on top of it, or you can get the smaller size bins and 2 stacked directly on top. Well, this is hard to do while holding it. You know you're old when this is exciting to you. This bin costs $7 and this bin costs $5. So seriously, these are the best priced bins I've found beyond being the best bins that I found. So many of you guys DM me saying that you got this bin. If you bought this bin from my recommendation on Instagram stories, please leave a comment down below letting me know if you did and what you organized with it. I have been obsessed with these drawer dividers from Target. These are perfect to use in a drawer that doesn't fit a typical drawer divider. I personally use these small dividers to organize my coffee drawer. It made such a difference in making it look so nice and organized. I also put these smaller organizers within the bigger bins. Like in my daughter's art supplies, I put her bigger markers in this, so it helped keep them upright and not falling loose over in the bin. I shared on my channel before the concept concept of the upstairs downstairs bin. I love to keep a bin in my living room at the base of the stairs or at the top of the stairs, so this way throughout the day I can add pieces that either need to go upstairs or downstairs, so I'm not running up and down a million times for one thing. I wait until I can just take the whole bin up with me and do everything that I need to do on whatever floor I'm going to. Now, besides just the upstairs downstairs bin, I am using the bin for loose toys throughout the day. What I like to do is keep a bin that looks great in your home, it fits with your decor style, and then at the end of the day, I just quickly pick up the living space by throwing these random toys into this bin. I will quickly do this after I put the kids to bed, before dinner time, whenever I have a couple minutes, and then I can set it down in the living room near the couch and it looks great in this space, and I've quickly picked up the living room. I love this fridge calendar to help keep my family mentally organized. So this way I can add things like Teddy's pediatrician appointments. If we have dinner ideas for that week, we can throw it all up onto the fridge calendar to really help us stay organized as a family, so we can quick glance at it and know what's coming up for that week, for that month. And also, it doesn't hurt that this calendar is just so aesthetically pleasing. A new organizational item I got for our house are these seagrass bins from Target. I love that they came in this set of 3. So this is just another way I can easily pick up the living room, is by throwing loose toys into these baskets. I can put blankets in there. We can easily take them in and out if we want to lay on the couch with them. They seriously help so much to keep the living room organized, and they look so beautiful in the room. Making your bed is one of the biggest things you can do first thing in the morning to kind of set the tone for your day and help you feel more organized. So what I did to help inspire me to make my bed was do a bedding refresh for this spring. So I found a couple of simple pieces from Target and Amazon to really spruce up our bedding on a budget. I found some oversized pillows, a neutral stripe pillow, and this neutral throw. They were all very affordable. I'll link them down below, but just doing those little touches really made me feel more excited and inspired to make the bed. I'm in there a lot because that's where I will nurse our newborn, or he still sleeps in there, so I'll put him down for naps in his bassinet. So when I'm constantly walking in and out and it's clean, it helps me feel more organized, versus if the room was just like in chaos and the bed's not made, my whole day feels more stressful. It truly is the little things when you have a baby in the winter, in a pandemic. You know what I'm saying? One of the biggest questions I get over on Instagram and on my channel is asking me, how do I keep a white couch clean with kids? Am I crazy? What was I thinking getting a white couch? I just bought ivory blankets and I custom fit it around the cushions. So I've got about 3 or 4 blankets that I use to cover all of the cushions, give it a more cozy, boho, like lived-in look. So I like how it looks, and it's super functional because our kids can sit on it, we can eat food on it, we can spill on it, I know because we have, and they're so easy to just take the blankets off and wash them. I like to keep a bag in my room as well as in the kids' room where I can put things that no longer fit us. So for example, with the kids, if I am changing their clothes and I see that they no longer fit in that pair of pajamas or pants, I will throw it into the bag, so that way I am keeping a running bag of either things that I need to store away or donate because they don't fit them anymore, and I don't have to make it into a huge cleaning project. Instead, I'm doing it as I go. While this item itself is not an organizational item, it helps me keep my home clean and organized because that's how I'm able to get my cleaning done, by having my toddler in this stand. I love this helper stand because I can put Kennedy next to me. She loves playing in the sink and doing the dishes. I can put all of her toys out on the island while I'm unloading the dishwasher, and she will play or color by herself in this stand. It's really a win-win because it makes her feel independent and helps her feel like she has a job to do, and it helps me get the jobs done that I need to. I personally love this helper stand that I found because it's sleek, it folds away, which is great for smaller spaces, and I love this one because it fits the aesthetic of our home. This exact one sells out so frequently, so if you are interested in it, I will link it down below if it is available. If you do see it available, I would snag it because it sells out all the time because it's so popular. Okay guys, that is how I keep my home clean and organized, and my favorite new organizational products to help me keep my home clean and organized. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Everything that I shared in today's video will be linked down below in the description. Thank you so much again to Everlane for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!